You are genial. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is genial. Genial. This is a Spanish adjective and it means great. It's just that easy. Great. Genial can be used with feminine and masculine nouns. The plural form is geniales. Geniales. Now let's see a few examples using genial. Eres genial. Eres genial. You're great. La fiesta estuvo genial. La fiesta estuvo genial. Me gusta viajar a lugares geniales. Me gusta viajar a lugares geniales. El libro es genial. Tienes que leerlo. El libro es genial. Tienes que leerlo. La comida fue genial. Muchas gracias. La comida fue genial. Muchas gracias. Okay, that was the word of the day. It was a very easy word to learn. Genial means great. Now, leave me more examples down below using genial. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!